Have you ever noticed how sometimes the things that matter the most are the ones that are never said out loud? How some words, though small and simple, can make someone's entire world feel different? There are things every woman secretly longs to hear, but pride, fear, or a quiet sense of strength keeps her from asking for them. And yet, when she does hear them, sincerely, unexpectedly, they touch her heart in a way that nothing else can. Imagine this. She's sitting beside you after a long day, hair slightly messy, eyes tired but still glowing in that way only she can pull off. She doesn't ask for much, just presence, just understanding. And in that silence, there are words she's yearning to hear. Words that could melt away her exhaustion and remind her that she's seen, valued, and deeply cherished. You look at her and you say, I love how your mind works. Her eyes lift, maybe just for a second, surprised, because no one ever tells her that. The world compliments her looks, her smile, her body, her style, but her mind? That's something different. It's like telling her that you see beyond what's visible, that you admire the way she thinks, connects, imagines, and dreams. And at that moment, you've reached a part of her no one else ever bothered to explore. She laughs at something you say, the kind of laugh that fills a room with warmth. You can feel it, the pull between you both, something more than attraction. And then you whisper, you make me want to be a better man. Those words sink deep. Because what she really wants to know is that she inspires you, not just physically, but emotionally, mentally, spiritually. That her presence doesn't just decorate your life, it changes it. Every woman wants to know that her existence brings out the best version of you, that she's a reason you strive harder, stand taller, dream bigger. Later, when she's telling you about something she's been working on, maybe a small project, maybe something that means everything to her, you pause, look her straight in the eye, and say, I'm proud of you. And it's not about grand success or big achievements. It's about the effort, the dedication, the small steps she takes even when nobody's watching. When you tell her you're proud of her, it's like saying, I see the strength you hide. I notice the fight you never talk about. And for her, that means the world. She carries so much. The weight of expectations, responsibilities, silent worries that no one ever sees. And then one evening when she's trying to hold everything together, you gently put a hand on her shoulder and say, you don't have to do it all. I've got you. In that moment, you become her peace. Not her savior, not her hero, just her partner. The one who reminds her that she doesn't always have to be strong, that it's okay to fall apart sometimes because you'll be there to help her pick up the pieces. And when she's quiet, when her thoughts are tangled and her emotions hard to express, instead of pushing her away or brushing it off, you tell her, tell me how you really feel. I want to understand. That's when she truly begins to trust you. Because women don't need someone who just listens, they crave someone who wants to understand, who listens not to reply, but to connect. Those words tell her that her voice matters, that her feelings aren't too much or too complicated, that you actually care about the person beneath the smile. Then one day, she looks in the mirror and doubts herself. Maybe it's her looks, maybe her choices, maybe just life weighing her down. And you come up behind her, wrap your arms around her and say softly, you're enough, just as you are. It's simple but powerful. Because deep down, every woman has moments when she feels like she's not enough, like she's falling short. And when you tell her that she is enough, it's like giving her permission to breathe again, to exist without pretending, to be loved without performing. Sometimes she wonders if the small things she does even get noticed. The way she makes your coffee just right, remembers your favorite song, leaves a message on your busiest days. But when you tell her, I notice the little things you do, she feels seen. Because love isn't built on grand gestures, it's made of small, consistent acts that often go unappreciated. When you notice them, she realizes she's not invisible, that the quiet love she gives every day actually matters. There's another thing that goes deeper than admiration. It's respect. When you tell her, I respect you, you're saying you see her as your equal, not someone to control, fix, or impress, but someone whose strength, opinions, and individuality you honor. Respect tells her that her boundaries are safe with you, that her dreams are valid, that her voice will never be silenced beside yours. It's one of the most underrated forms of love, and when you give it, it changes everything. Then there's trust. I trust your judgment. Those words mean more to her than you think, because trust says, I believe in you. It says, you don't have to prove yourself to me. Women want to be trusted, not doubted. They want to know you have faith in their intuition, their choices, their wisdom. When you say it and mean it, you're telling her that you value her perspective as much as your own. And that's when love starts to feel like partnership, not possession. And somewhere in the quiet moments, late at night, maybe after a long talk or a shared silence, you say, you're my favorite person to talk to. That's when her guard truly falls. Because beyond attraction, beyond affection, what women crave most is connection. To be someone's safe space. To know that her thoughts, her laughter, her honesty, they're what you cherish most. It tells her she's not just loved, she's understood. And then on the days she feels broken, when her hair's a mess, her patience is gone, and her energy is empty, you hold her close and whisper, even on your worst days, I still think you're amazing. Because that's love in its truest form. Seeing someone at their lowest and still choosing them. Loving not only their light, but their shadows too. The truth is, these aren't just words, they're small miracles that build emotional safety. They tell her that she can be fully herself with you, unfiltered, imperfect, human. Most men underestimate how powerful a simple sentence can be. They think love is about action alone. But words are bridges. They connect hearts in ways action sometimes can't. So the next time you're with her, really with her, look beyond what you see. Listen beyond what she says, and maybe say one of these things, not as a line, not as a trick, but as truth. Because when a woman hears these words and knows they're real, something incredible happens. Her guard drops, her eyes soften, her laughter becomes freer. And in that moment, she doesn't just feel loved, she feels safe. And safety for a woman is the highest form of love there is.